We live in the most connected time in history, but for some, they've never felt more alone. What actually happens when digital connection replaces real connection? For 23-year-old Joseph Fabian, friendships exist through screens.
I would kind of make friends here and there, and I started playing video game at the time.
We're looking at how isolation and digital-only connection shape the body from the inside out.
Dr. Pablo is going to take us inside Joseph's brain, heart, and body to see what happens when he actually connects.
We want to really put you in different environments, testing you all along the way.
That sounds good to me.
So we're flipping the experiment completely.
We're taking Joseph out of the lab and into something entirely different, ultimate human connection experiment.
He's about to enter the one environment he avoids at all costs.
Being by myself brought me a lot of anxiety.
I want to know what happens when Joseph walks directly into the one environment built for connection, but goes in completely alone.